41 নম্বর কোশ্চেন কি বলছে যে অ্যামাজন রিভার দ্য ফ্লোজ থ্রুজ হুইচ ইজ কন্টিনেন্ট, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? নাম্বার এ সাউথ আমেরিকা দ্য অ্যামাজন রিভার ফ্লোজ হুইচ ইজ কন্টিনেন্ট। 41 number question explain the Amazon River to South America is the largest river by discharge volume the water in the world. Next question 42 number question কি বলছে what are the parallel circle from the equator up to the poles is called, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A latitudes just is the parallel circle from the equator up to the poles is called. 42 number question explain the angular distance of the place is north and south of the earth equator or of the equator in the celestial object usually to express to degrees and minute is called latitude. Next question 43 number question কি বলছে what is cause day and night cycle on earth, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number A rotation of the earth just as day and night of the cycle of the earth is caused. Next 43 number question explain day and night is the caused by the rotation of the earth on its axis. Earth takes to about 24 hours to rotate to around its axis once. When a place to on earth faces to sun it is the daytime, when it the faces to away from the sun it has the night. Next question 44 number question কি বলছে যে for a time of difference of 2 hours the longitudinal distance will be equal to, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number B 30 degree for a time of difference 2 hour and longitudinal distance will be equal to. 44 number question explain the earth has been divided into 360 degree of imaginary as longitudinal lines. Now to this 360 degrees divided by 24-hour day resulted to 4 minutes per longitude on 360 degree in 24 hour. So 1 hour in 15 degrees 1 degree equal to 4 minutes. So for a time of difference of the 2 hour the longitudinal distance will be equal to 30 degree. Next question 45 number question কি বলছে in which is continent great dividing range is located, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D Australia, this which continent and great dividing range is located. 45 number question explain the great dividing range or the eastern high line is Australia to Mars is subsidional mountain range and the third longest land based range in the world. It is the stretches more than in 30,500 km from is one Iceland of and northern tip and Queensland till in the center plain and the Grampians in the western Victoria. Next question 46 number question কি বলছে যে stalagmite is kind as the special in deposition that is caused by which is of the following, এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে? Number D underground water just take stalagmite is special to deposition that is caused by which. 46 number question explain stalagmite is the mound of the tapering column rising from the floor of a cave. This form the calcium to salt and deposit to dripping to water and often to uniting within stalactite. They form the action to underground water. Stalactites hand to downward from the ceiling and of caves, whereas in stalagmites reach upward to from the floor a cave. Next question 47 number question কি বলছে which of the following the pair is the correct prime meridian and longitude tropic of cancer latitude equator latitude এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number D, all options is correct. Prime meridian is longitude, tropic of Cancer to latitude, equator of latitude. Next question. 47 number question explain. A prime meridian is the meridian, a line of a longitude on a geographic coordinate system in which its longitude is defined to be 0 degree. Tropic of a Cancer is the parallel of the latitude, that is the approximately 2312 degrees to north of the equator. Equator is a parallel of latitude, equidistant from the north and south pole, dividing to earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Next question. 48 number question কি বলছে on which of the following the date the winter solstice is the observed to southern hemisphere এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number D, 21 June. Just is which following the date, just winter solstice and observed to southern hemisphere. 48 number question explain. The winter solstice is a astronomical phenomena just marking the shortest day and longest night of the year. In the northern hemisphere this is the 21 December solstice and southern hemisphere this 21 June solstice. Solstice and opposite the other side and equator, so that winter solstice in northern hemisphere is the summer solstice in the southern hemisphere and the vice versa. Next question. 49 number question কি বলছে in which of the following the date the summer solstice observed to northern hemisphere এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number A, 21 June is its date is summer of the solstice observed to northern hemisphere. 49 number question explain. The summer solstice is the longest day of the year that occurs to northern hemisphere on 21 June. It is occurs to when the sun directly over the Tropic of Cancer or the right over to 23.5 degrees to north latitude, in a contrast to southern hemisphere to receive to mass to sunlight of the December 21, 22 or 23 when to northern hemisphere, as it's the longest nights or the winter solstice. Next question. 50 number question কি বলছে what are the imaginary line is touching to both the poles of earth is called এই চারটি অপশনের মধ্যে কোনটি হবে Number B, longitudes just imaginary line the touching is both the poles of the earth called 50 number question explain. In a geography, longitude in refers to imaginary line that is the bisect the globe through the north and south pole, the ones that is run vertically, as opposed to the line in latitude that run horizontally parallel to the equator. Meridians to line to running from the north pole to the south pole, the connect point with the same longitude.